as a grandpa walking his bird. Do people walk birds though?
No.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siki. I'm a native Mandarin Chinese speaker and a Chinese language tutor. I'm here to help you learn Mandarin Chinese in a fun way for free. So recently, during my one-on-one tutoring class, I came across a really interesting question, which is, how do Chinese people actually say hi to each other? When I entered the class, I just said, 你好, which means hi in Chinese. And my student asked me, well, I heard that Chinese people don't really say 你好 to each other. Instead, they say, have you eaten? 你吃了吗? So, is this true? Do we use 你好 often? Or do we really just say 你吃了吗? Have you eaten? So, let's discuss about this today. If you have been learning Chinese for a while, of course you will know the word 你好. But if you're a complete beginner, 你好 means hi or hello in Chinese. And 你吃了吗 is a question. So 你 means you, 吃 means eat, 了 following the word 吃 to express a past tense or to describe a completed action. 吗 is often used in the end of a sentence to turn a statement into a question. So 你吃了吗? 你吃了吗? Have you eaten? 你好 is still a word that we use often in life. Usually when it's our first time seeing someone, we say 你好 to be polite. 你好 can also come across a little formal. We can use it in business meetings or with complete strangers. Another word that's even more respectful in Chinese to express hello is 您好. 您 has the same meaning as 你, but it's just more respectful. We usually use 您好 with someone who's older than us or someone who's on a higher position at work compared to us. But does it mean we should use 你吃了吗? Have you eaten? When we meet someone we're really familiar with or in a very casual occasion? Well, the truth is I have never said the sentence 你吃了吗 in my whole life. Because every time when I think about the sentence, the image that comes into my mind automatically is a grandpa walking his bird. Do people walk birds though?
No.
Is a grandpa holding his bird and taking a walk in the park in the afternoon. So basically, 你吃了吗 is a very old expression to greet people. I wouldn't say that people actually use it in 2021, so that's probably not a good way to say hi either. Then apart from 你好, what can we use to say hi to people when it's in a casual setting or when you're very familiar with the people you're saying hi to? I thought about how I have been saying hi to people in Chinese. If I just accidentally meet them somewhere, or if I schedule a chat with them, and how do I say hi? Personally, there are two ways how I go about saying hi to people. The first one is, Hi, 你最近怎么样? Hi, 你最近怎么样? 你 means you. 最近 means recently. 怎么样 means how. So, 你最近怎么样 literally means how have you been recently? For example, Hi, 你最近怎么样? 唉，别提了，每天都在写作业。哦，这样啊，那你快点去写作业吧。Another expression that I use is Hi, 你要去哪儿呀? Hi, 你要去哪儿呀? 你 means you. 要 means will or is going to, which express a future tense. So, 你要去哪儿 or 你要去哪儿呀 means where are you going? For example, Hi, 你要去哪儿呀? 我要去吃火锅呀。那你去吃吧，我先回家了，改天见。Both of these expressions kind of just go directly into a small talk. The purpose is to let the other person know that you're happy to see them and you care about them. So that's today's video. how do we say hi as a native Chinese speaker. If you do think this video is helpful, give it a like and subscribe. You can also turn on the notification bell so every time when I upload a new video, you get to learn Mandarin Chinese for free. And don't forget to tell me how you say hi in Mandarin Chinese in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!